Yes, Lord. What a beautiful day for a beautiful ball. Now look, we doing something a little different. We popping it with the water first because we got turkey necks. Yeah, we got turkey necks. Finna be platinum. Now we gonna use orange juice too, but not as many. We usually use 6 orange juices, but for this, we gonna go with 2. Nah, you don't want it that sweet. You don't want the turkey necks that sweet. You don't want the turkey necks that sweet, tasting like oranges. Same thing with the lemon juice. We not gonna use 4. We gonna use 1. Just 1. I'm telling you. Now look, this right here is like Tony's, but I heard it's better. We finna find out. We gotta find out. Now you know I gotta pop it with the Old Bay. Gots to. Got my onion powder right here. Got my garlic powder right here. Oh my God. Now look, we got the pinch and pour Cajun crab bar seasoning as well. We're not gonna go with the Zatarain's. We're not gonna go with the Louisiana seasoning. We're gonna go with the pinch and pour. You see me, I use half the bag. Now if you want your stuff spicy, if you want it spicy, put the whole bag in there. Now look at the ball boosters. I got my celery and my onion flavor in that green pack, and that purple pack was my garlic flavor. What you know about that paprika? What y'all know about that paprika? Got my minced garlic right here. Now here they come. Here they come. The beautiful turkey necks. You want to let those cook for about 1.5 hours. 2 hours if necessary. Or until tender. Got my celery and my onion in here. That's nothing but flavor. Smell it through the phone. It's platinum. Yeah. Platinum. Guys, smell it with your eyes right now. If you try hard enough, I promise you can do it. Smell with your eyes right now. It's platinum. Look at that season on them turkey necks. Now look, let's add the other 4 orange juices. Please, let's add these other 4 orange juices. Because we finna throw the shrimp in there. We got the sausages, the potatoes, the corn. Same thing with the lemon juice. You wanna add the other 3 lemon juice. And here go my lemon pepper seasoning too. I didn't add the lemon pepper seasoning with the turkey necks. Now let's drop the beautiful Louisiana shrimp. And they ready. Oh my God, look at that. Now let's drop the potatoes, the sausages, and I got my corn right here too. Now like I always tell y'all, don't overcook that corn. When your potatoes nice and soft, then you throw your corn in there. Because it's already cooked. After about 30 minutes wait time, let's butter these down and they ready. Platinum.